Today we're going to install the J&L oil separator, part number 3045P, for all 1986 through 1993 V8 5-liter Ford Mustang. All J&L oil separators come in a black anodized finish or a clear anodized finish for that silver look. Parts needed are going to be a 10mm socket, ratchet, and extension, a 10mm wrench, and a Phillips head screwdriver. First thing we need to do is to get the Pcv valve out. On the back of your lower manifold, there's a Pcv line that runs from the bottom of the manifold of the upper down to the Pcv valve mounted in the lower. You're going to pull that up. There it is, your Pcv valve, and pull that out of the hose. Now is a real good time to change your Pcv valve, and there's a filter down in the bottom of that lower manifold. Really good time to change that now, and if your hose is brittle and cracked, you can also get that on most of your Mustang websites. Okay, now we want to go ahead and mount the bracket to the car. On the back of all Fox bodies, there's this pinch weld, and on the passenger side, there's a large hole right there. We're going to take the supplied bolt, go through the bracket, through the hole. You're going to need to use the large fender washer and the supplied nut and lock that down to that spot. Okay, for now, let's just get it finger tight so we can move it around. Okay, it's easier to do this now out of the car. Take the Pcv valve, add a little light oil onto it. That's going to help get it into the hose. Go ahead just like that, get that seated in. Now we can install the assembly onto the bracket. All right, now we want to take our hose and oil separator assembly and slide this in here, guiding the Pcv valve back into its grommet in the bottom lower manifold. And it's a little tricky to get back here, but there you go. Once you find it, there you go. Then grab the hose here. I'm going to go ahead and route this underneath these hoses. Connect this fitting on the separator to the fitting on the back of the intake. And now you can use the supplied screws to mount the separator. Check the routing of your hoses, make sure that they're not kinked, not pressing up against anything hot. Now you can go ahead and tighten up that bracket bolt.